Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And I'm coming to you sans makeup. But I realized I have just a few, not quite a few, like palettes that I haven't tried just because November and December got away from me really badly. So I figured, hey, it's the perfect time to actually try some of these palettes. So it's probably like most of the videos this week or something will be just trying out some new palettes that I've gotten that I haven't had the opportunity to try. So today I'm going for the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, and I do have the first one. It's just I haven't used it in a while because I've gotten some others, and then I forgot to label which ones actually have carmine in that palette, and I've since forgotten. And there's like, every shade's a different formula in that palette, like this one. So I have to go by individual and then like mark it off. But this one is pretty good. It only has 3 shades, while I think the other one has like 4 or 5 shades. I want to say, I think like 4. So this one only has 3 that I cannot use. If you don't know, I'm allergic to carmine. And carmine is basically a red dye, but as you know, reds can be used to make any color, even creams and whites apparently, because they also add it as like a additive that's supposed to give it more longer wear or something. I don't know. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it does this fun thing. So it can be like in any color, and not necessarily the red one. Like, I'll open this up and it does have this big old mirror over here, so we'll try not to blind you. Like, you would think it'd be in this color. It's not in this red color. No, it's in this purple, it's in this pink, and then it's in this cream color. So, yeah. And it can also be in blacks, like Clinique. All of Clinique's mascaras have it. Lancome's mascaras have it. Urban Decay's, all their gel 24/7 eyeliners have it, including the Perversion, which is black. And so, I think all of them have it. Anyway, as I was looking, like the set that's currently on sale at Ulta has it. So, yeah, there's that. Eyelid primer, and see what we come up with. I just really want to try out the formula. See if it, I mean, it's been a while since I used the other one. See if it takes me back to then. You know, that would have been like toward my early, really obsessive makeup days. Not that I never wore makeup before that, but like, knew what a crease was and putting out the crease and had eyelid primer and stuff like that. So, and this does smell like vanilla, so it's really nice. I did bring a color switch. I don't know where my other one went to, but this one I got in a giveaway win. I believe it was from Audra. Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush, which we got in Boxy Shine a while ago. Now, this is designed like you're supposed to be able to do a look by going in the rows. Yeah, I probably won't do that. So, yeah. There's only 3 mattes. There's only 3 mattes in this entire thing. And one I can't use. So my only choice, visualize that, for a crease color, I mean, some of these are more like satin. So if like Mashup actually didn't have carmine or suede, I could probably throw that up in my crease. The others I'll just have to see how shimmery they are. But yeah, so only the cream mixed media that I can't use, that's its name, Wall Art I can, and then the black is ink. So yeah, I'm down to Wall Art, which is a good crease color for me at least. I mean, it's dark-ish. Of course, I look like I have zombie eyes. Y'all know my sleeping patterns have been so messed up. Like, my body doesn't want to go to sleep, even though it's tired. I'm just, like, awake to, like, I'm talking about work week, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, just laying in bed. Last night before, 6 o'clock. So, yeah. Like, it's been trippy fun. And then I only sleep like Well, during the week I was getting like 3 if I was lucky. And I wouldn't take a nap except for Friday to take a nap. That's not bad. It's like, I'm going to try to do something else up in my creek. I'm going to go with graffiti. See how that one looks up in there. But, you know, whatever. Yeah, that's not... These are not going to... This is with a blending brush, and that's how it's applying. Yeah, this is not going to be good. So, this palette... You're probably going to have to bring in a mat or something else from another one. Just saying. Or you can just work with that brown one. I'm kind of amazed that that applied like that with a crease brush. Like a fluffy blending brush. Wow, okay. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go in Inspiration, which is this really light pinkin. Okay. The light that reflects really pretty. And just think, it's pretty intense looking. Like, at least in my angle. I don't know how it is translated on camera, but it's pretty base to it. I'm gonna play this Art Deco shade just because it's like drawing me in. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a sea grassy green. Now, if I cut the crease and didn't have that shimmer in my crease, so we're getting some other colors blended out, isn't that bad? It's not bad. This little Sigma E47. Go into, I don't know if I want to go in that matte black. I mean, I guess I could test out how that matte black is. Well, that's pigmented. This is a blending brush too. It's barely dabbed in it, so yeah, it's got some pigment. The thing is, this color explosion doesn't look like glitter, like these others have glitter in them. And they don't, it doesn't kind of follow the thing of the first one. So I'm gonna go in that color explosion. Oh, no, it's pretty foiled. Okay. They're actually really foiled anyway. Like, look at that. If y'all can see that, if that's catching well, like, pretty bomb dry. Like, if you cut the crease and or even wet your brush, low, which is this one. I was tempted to do this one, but I'm gonna go with that one. Thing is, these colors, like, they look kind of one way, but if you look close enough in the pan, you can kind of see the shift in them. Like, all of them have a shift, which is really interesting. Except for maybe Mashup, which is the one I can't use in the mattes, of course. But Mashup, maybe Spin doesn't have a shift, or Outside the Line kind of really doesn't, Mic Drop. And maybe Moonlit. But the rest, like, have like a shift. Like, they're gonna show up one way one side and then another way in the other, or no, one angle or one light and the other and the other. So I don't know if that's picking up and translating, but I can see it like in the mirror doing this, and I just think that's really neat. And it's actually a really good formula. I'm only seeing the slightest bit of black where I probably didn't tap off my brush over here, and I didn't really tap off my brush, but I'm not really noticing it over here, so it's just a little bit over there. So it's probably like that last round. You've got spin, and there's no, it's not like creamy, but daggum, look at that metallic, like okay, inspiration. Oh, and that's what I had on the first part of my lid, that shifting. This one definitely has a shift. This is Art Deco, and it's like a mermaid shift, which is fun. This is Artist. So it's very pretty royal blue. This is the Color Explosion, which I put underneath my lid. Yeah. It's that green. But they're not powdery at all. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so far. Hold on. Spin, Inspiration, Art Deco. That one is called Artist. And then Color Explosion. This is Wall Art, which is my only crease color in this palette. So, Mrs. Flow. Oh, that's what I got my inner corner. This is DIY Ink and Beat Drop, which is a charcoal with glitter. Okay, I'm gonna see how it swatches to let you know. So we got Wall Art, Flow, DIY, Ink, of course, good black, and this last one is called Beat Drop. Okay, it's not as pigmented as those. I think it's more to catch the glitter or put a base with the glitter down. So that one will definitely need a glitter glue. Flatter. Just that one. That one I almost did my inner corner, but it's got, that one's got a shift to it. This one really doesn't. This is Outside the Lines. It's a very pretty like rod gold. This one is Mic Drop. And then this one is Graphic. And then we have Graffiti. Graffiti's pretty solid, pretty. Okay. So we got Splatter, Outside the Lines, Mic Drop. Very pigmented. That one's probably like the least metallic of all of them, is that Mic Drop. That's not a matte. So that one maybe could be thrown up in your crease. I think it was that Graphic. Again, black base with a purple glitter, so definitely a glitter glue. And then this is Graffiti, which is really pretty. Now see, that one looks like the same metallic as that one and that one, but now we've got Moonlit and Create, which looks gorgeous, and I'm so tempted to try it. That's Create. It's like that gold, it's like my Butter Linden oil slick color, or that Wet n Wild shade everybody goes crazy about. Yeah, makes its way in a few palettes. So you got Moonlit, and then I'm going to use this one for mixed media, just to swatch it for you people. This one is Mashup. It's a very pretty purple. I'm disappointed I can't use it. Let me wipe my finger off a little bit better to get in this way. And that is Sway. So very pretty. Again, this one I cannot use. Mixed media. Not going to show up on my arm. Mashup. Chalky but very pretty. And Sway. So there's the shades. Not technically in order. We're a little bit out of order in the last two rows because of those three shades, but not too bad. So yeah, so I think it's a gorgeous palette. Did I realize that there was only 3 mattes and one of them's black? No, one I can't use. No. So I think they would have done better to make one of these other shades matte rather than a shimmer. But it's a gorgeous palette, and it applied fantastically dry. So, you know, imagine wet or with actual cut crease where you're like applying it on top of if you do the non-setting cut crease. I mean, it'd be really even more bright and poppy, and you gotta figure out I have zombie eyes today anyway. So yeah, I think this is a great palette. and I'm excited to actually get to play with it. I just got to be careful of those last 3 shades. And like right now, I'll go wash my hands so I can get that carmine off. See the work. So, do I need mascara? I'm doing like 3, like not 3 looks in this one thing, but I'm fixing to mess with another palette, so I don't really want to have to mess with eyeliner and mascara each time. I was more trying to give like as many colors as I can. I used like 7 or 8. I think it's a really fun palette. Yay, Tarte for a fun palette, a wearable fun palette, really, because you're not just all bright pastels and rainbows. You've got some depth and dimension in here. You might have to bring in another palette if you want a different crease color. But overall, I'm impressed. Like, though I don't really have a problem with Tarte's formula. Sometimes it's a little dry. But yeah. But this looks good, and I am so impressed that they made so many shades that actually shift to a different color in the light. So yeah, I'm really liking that. It could have done with a couple more. Like these 2 are really kind of close. So, like these 2, like this one right here and this one right here, are really almost the same color, just a little orange. So like one of these should have been like a crease shade instead of a metallic in that shade, and it would have been like, you know, even better. But overall, I'm like impressed. I think it looks really nice and fun. And yeah, so go Tarte in the fun packaging of the thing. There we go. There we go. We're getting that there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.